How to get Google Authenticator code on new phone. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your new phone and download Google Authenticator. After that, you would be able to find the option of this get started. After you open up Google Authenticator, just simply click on it. Then you would be able to see the option of import existing accounts on the bottom. Just simply click on import existing accounts, and after that you have to open up the Google Authenticator on your old device, and you would be able to see all the accounts that you have on your old device. Simply click on the more option on the top left hand side corner, or on some devices you might be able to see three different dots, and simply click on three dots and you would be able to find the option of export accounts. So you have to choose the option of export accounts on your old device and click on continue. This way you would be given the chance to select all the accounts that you want to transfer from your old device to your new device. Select all the accounts and after that click on next. Now you would be given the QR code on your old device. Simply scan that QR code with your new device, and this way you would be able to transfer your Google Authenticator account from your old device to new device, and just finish it, and this way you would be able to do it. And after that you would be getting the codes on your new phone, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.